Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really handy skill in Wix, how to move an entire section from one page to another super quickly. If you've ever spent ages rebuilding or restyling the same section on different pages, this guide will save you a ton of time and hassle. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transfer any section between pages on your Wix site, and you'll feel a whole lot more confident in organizing your website content. So let's dive right in. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Wix web design dashboard. This is your main workspace where all the magic happens. If you're already there, that's perfect. Otherwise, just log in and open the editor for your site. I always recommend doing this on a desktop or laptop for the easiest experience. Things can get fiddly on a phone or a tablet. Take a look at your page and find the section you want to move. This could be anything, a gallery, a contact form, or maybe a testimonials block. Hover over the section until it highlights, and then click to select it. You'll see a bounding box and maybe some handles pop up. At this point, Wix is showing you that it's recognized the section as a unit, so you're good to go. Now comes the clever part. Right-click on the selected section, and you'll see a copy option. Go ahead and click it. Alternatively, you can use the more familiar shortcut Ctrl+C on your keyboard, just like you do in Word or Google Docs. But here's a pro tip. Once you copy a section, Wix pretty much puts a snapshot of that section in your virtual clipboard, so it's ready to be pasted anywhere. Before you move on, don't forget to delete the original from the current page if you want it gone. Just right-click again and hit delete. If you're a little nervous about deleting, no worries. Wix usually lets you Ctrl+Z to undo a mistake, so you've got a safety net if something disappears. Ready to transfer your section? Head over to the page where you want it to appear. In the page menu on the left, click to open a new page. Let the editor load for a second. It's a good idea to scroll through the layout and pick a spot that makes sense. Think about how your visitors will move through the content. Click to select any section on the page that's near where you want your new one to show up. This step helps Wix know exactly where to drop your copied content. Once you've selected your target section, here comes the moment of truth. Simply press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Give it a second, and like magic, your copied section will appear right underneath the section you've selected. You'll see all the content, images, styles, pretty much everything transfers over. If it doesn't look perfect at first, don't panic. You can always drag it into place, tweak the spacing, or adjust the settings as needed. Think of it like moving furniture from one room to another. Sometimes you need to shuffle things around a bit so it looks just right. And that's really all there is to it. You've successfully moved a section from one page to another in Wix. This little trick is a real time saver, especially for things like FAQ panels, contact details, or testimonials that you want consistent across multiple pages. If things don't paste as expected, check that you're selecting a section before pasting. That's the key detail. I hope you found this quick guide helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you've got any questions about Wix, or if you ran into any hiccups during the process, drop a comment below. I check my comments and I'm happy to help you out. And if you're looking for more easy website tips and tutorials, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.